Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Viewers, subscribers, big up on yourself and my people. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, you know, say I saw a video, you understand, I go around and thing, and me do end up get the video, you know what I mean, on my side, my people. And this video is with lot of people favorite personal or favorite social media personality, Donna, Auntie, Donna, Planka Boss, Planka Chopper, you understand, my people. And it is where Donna in this video is seen and saying some stuff, my people, pertaining to Jamaica men and women who live overseas. You understand? So it's like she tell the woman them overseas, say, look here, you know say Jamaica man no want nobody. You not try take up no more of them. You understand? Because when you take them up, them are go left for them. Only thing them want is basically green card, paper, and them thing there. Well, my viewers and subscribers, as me say, the video go viral. Zine, because a lot of men, them not like to hear what Donna have to say, my people. And on a real level, me definitely not like what Donna have to say, and I style up Jamaica men them, and I make things look so bad, especially if they say Jamaica men them. So you know, so she refer to every Jamaica man. You get what me I say? So, what me I gotta know, my people, more you check out the video, you understand. Me know say you have some people, definitely, them always the Planka side. Even if she do good, even if she do bad, no matter what she do, you understand? Them always on our side, my people. But me tell you say, it's just equal rights and justice, my people. And if we just live with the favoritism there, it not gonna make sense. You see me? So check out this video, my people, and then me drop back in.
Put on my eyeglass to come to do that video here. When a foreign woman, old big woman, grandmother and young girl I got here. So no for stop left foreign and come to Jamaica come take up man married to call them don't want to know. And when them want to marry to them and bring them up a foreign, up a big foreign parlor, them left for no and want to come on social media in a people inbox and all about a ball so no husband left for no. You know say the man them a Jamaica visa them want. You know say a green card them want. British passport, Canadian passport, American green card, and any country only they find them want come, them don't want no love. You know fi tap it. I'm tired to soon up on social media. I'm tired to soon up a calling pass live. I'm tired to soon in my inbox. One man did say the woman a foreign send upside down picture come give. What wrong to the foreign woman? What wrong with you now? No look money. What wrong with you make you can't find a nice husband up a friend and top come out here. Come check up them one here. Get them green card, get them passport, get them visa, and get them paper card them up a big foreign. And I then go 3 months after, 1 year after, 2 years after, it's so long they left for now. The Jamaican man, them are going to come to me but me not here. Them are look away out to better themselves. And I not blame them three now. Because them say fool no use them. If them say a way where they can go far and the way use no because you not hear and you not learn. Tap come back phone and social media and fly down a Jamaica come take up man. We out here tell you say them not a woman. Yes, me put on my glass to do this because I don't want to look in my eye. Because you not hear so you have to see the big glass to hear what me I say. You not tap it. Me wrong am I right, Father? Most of them not then come and marry the man when reach a foreign.
It's not every one of the men that still saying
90% of them.
Right.
God bless the 10% that love you honestly.
It's not all that stays like that. You know?
Every minute you see them on social media all about it on my inbox, all about a ball man reach a foreign and less them.
And you know that some of them to this way, never tell you what happens. Some of the men, some of them really care for the men, you know. But if you when them over there and sometimes you see a different team, when you will make them down with them use the old here.
Well,
some definitely don't want to work, some definitely have their mind plan to deceive them. But you have some of them when them go over there, them see different behavior, different action.
Yes, but at them are going to get the energy stick same way because you know them say a leopard can never change its spot. And enough of them are way out them a look. When you take up one man and foreign, that means if them take on up, and up there with them, you don't have nothing to lose and you can't come out here come back. I'm not sorry for none of you.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, as you can hear it out of the planka chopper mouth, you understand? And in our glasses, favor cyclone, that is planka chopper Donna. My people, let me tell you this, and me talk this before. Me get whole heap of unsub when me talk, especially when me talk about this individual, yes sir, you understand? Me get whole heap of love same way, whole heap of hate, but everybody don't know, me care zero, my people. The truth is just the truth. Me done they telling a long time, so this woman that is fake, she not real. Me done talk these things long time, so she is a big fake. You see me? People, look into this, on a real level, my viewers and subscribers. I remember you used to see this woman do her thing when she personally asks, like she have men at Jamaica, my people, and I try hook them up with woman over so. She used to do this, you understand? But now, when she up on the other side, whatever she do, and she get the chance to be on the other side, my people, then now she have all of these things to say bad. Eh? So at the time when you did a hook up on your connection thing, Donna, deep inside, you never know say Jamaica men them bad and them a do them thing. Because from I grew up as a pitney, my people, there's a whole heap of thing me hear about Jamaica men and this and that. But when I check statistically, my people, anywhere in the world you go, you understand, you definitely are going to find men, especially in poorer countries, my people, want a woman and that's them that bingo. You understand? And for sure, not every Jamaican men are like that who definitely are going to take up a woman and go. You have a lot of women in America, England, Canada right now, my people, who have Jamaican men and them a live life, them a make life together and they have been together for years. You see me? So when she a go pass these remarks and about Jamaica men this and Jamaica men that, Donna, you need to think straight and looking at yourself, because you make a big clone of yourself on social media nowadays. And from a long time you was one. But now, you know what I mean? You know when you are a clone and some clone don't fully get the effect, you know you get the full effect of a clone. You understand? The other day I see over there talk about them try this and them try and God and this and them can't call FBI upon you and them can't do nothing. Look here, here's a small things right now. You understand? Because one thing me can say is Uncle Trump, see one ya, get the container and put the scandal bag upon. You understand? So you don't need to humble yourself. My granny always tell me say humble calf suck the most milk. You see me? And me know say you fake long time, you're not real. But you blind shadow a lot of people eyes. A lot of them find out my people, but a lot of them just still stuck with the mentality, the Donna this. You understand? Looking on yourself and say, who was Donna before you start give all of these charity money? Who was Donna? Where was Donna? You understand? What she used to say, build herself up. You see me? Nobody no bad mind her, but her attitude and her ways is very stink and mucky and pucky. And she's not a nice person. You see me? Look, look into it, my people. There's a lot of females in Jamaica. You understand? Who me know? Same like one man that pray say them want a foreign woman. Them a pray say them want a foreign man too. And a lot of them go over there and them do same thing when man do. You see me? So nobody can make it look like it's a man-sided thing or a one-sided thing. And if you go in any other Caribbean country, you find these situations do happen. You see me? And me always tell people this, people with a brand of people and say, Jamaica men. You understand? Think about it. Not all is the same. You see me? It's all about people personality and their mentality. Because Jamaica is a country. And you have a lot of different mindset of different Jamaican people. Not everybody think the same way. Not everybody be the same way. Just like when everybody at Jamaica can go to church. And everybody at Jamaica smoke weed. You understand? Uno is a letdown and a sellout to your own country. You see me? Just because you oversup on the other side, you're going to come talk about this and that. Then a straight attack for you. Attack for you. Then no leniency, no plea, no cree. You see me? Who want vex, who want 8, I care zero. I attack you long time already and I still not stop. Because you're a clown. You see me? To me, them say you do good for society and you this to Jamaica, yes, the whatever, yes, nothing to me. I thought that over and over, I say you is nothing to me. You is nothing to me. Only thing to me in my eyesight when I see you, I see one big black garbage bag. That's all I see. One big black garbage bag ready for go in a one bin and go throw away. You understand? Because you not have no good ways. A whole heap of people see your style and this and use. You see me? You use them to get where you want and make your way. You gotta talk about charity and do nothing for you. So what do things for you? People charity money where them send for help people do things for you, Donna. So don't act like and talk like that will help you. You understand charity money. You need to go away, man. Really and truly, you need to go away. You see me? You need to go away. Any real men out there, Jamaica men or Caribbean fellow men, they would have looking at yourself and say you're a clown. You can't come from big old media come and talk these things and I come make your people look bad. I come paint a bad picture. But Jamaica, the way you not do. There's a lot of good men in Jamaica. Plenty good Jamaica men out there. You understand who get a nice woman, them build life and make life together overseas. So nobody can make things look bad like all Jamaica men are the worst. Look on you too. Well, none no want you. None no want you. That's why you behave so. None no want you because honestly if you was the last one parrot, me no want to see you. You understand when I see me come say act 2 and go about my business and I care 0. You understand? Go away from your man. Hey people, big up on yourself, you know. More love, more blessings and more respect. I'm thanking you for the love, for the support, the like, the share and every comment. I don't know, say one team, one dream, one scheme of people, and there's some people, honestly, them not make sense. And that's the reality, my people. Them just don't make sense. You see me when I talk, my people. Them just don't make sense. Stay safe, my people, and just do the right thing. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on all social media platforms. NEWLINK Production, my people. Peace out, be safe, be good, and be great. I'm out. Blessings. Attack.